Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at these. I got some video to show you. We got the Traxxas TRX4M Bronco stock, other than some stickers, and we got the Defender. Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at these. I got some video to show you. We got the Traxxas TRX4M Bronco stock, other than some stickers, and we got the Defender. I got one in blue, one in black. One thing I was going to tell you is you can see the tires are different. So far, I can't tell much difference. Like I said, I haven't had them actually on the rocks. I've got some footage I'll show you in a minute, just a few little courses that I was running them over on my Mini Z track. Just check them out. They do good. I definitely can tell when you get on the steering that it slows them down a little. Probably need the endpoints set on them. Hard to do with the stock radio. But I've got the Smart Link M1, and I'm going to see if I can't program that to it and see how if that helps it. But anyway, we got some upgrades that we're going to be putting on these and see if it improves them any. And some of them I know will, and some of them will be just for looks. But overall, these little hard bodies do great. I really like them. Like I said, they do a really good job, and if you don't have one yet, something to pick up. I'm telling you, they're a lot of fun. I'm worried about my little SCX24 collection. I'm telling you, I've got a lot of SCX24s. I've got several comp builds that are just all aftermarket, brushless. This one will actually run on 3S. So I have a bunch of different ones. I really like them, from the Bettys to the Deadbolt. These, oh man, you've got bigger shocks, so it's a lot easier to get oil-filled shocks in them. I know Proline just come out with some shocks. Be interesting to see how they work on the SCX24s. But they use the same diameter wheels, so you can put, your favorite tires and wheels that's already been out for the SCX24s on there. I'm going to do a shootout with maybe my Betty. It's I don't know if I'll leave the tires on it or not. I still have the stock ones. It's got a different servo and a different a couple brass pieces, not too much on it, but it still has stock link, stock motor, stock ESC. But I may do a little comparison to see how it compares. And I've got some stock ones too we can check. But anyhow, it'll be interesting to see, how they do. They're all fun. You can't go wrong. Like I said, they're a lot of fun. I love the scale look of these with the hard bodies. Got the racks on them, so I haven't put any accessories on these yet, but I plan on scaling some of these out, just like a Class 1 Sorka rig. So it'll be a lot of fun, and it'll be interesting to see how they do. Everything doesn't have to be a comp rig. Everything doesn't have to have a LCG chassis, high-rise links or whatever, high clearance links. Everything don't have to have that. Sometimes it's fun just to enjoy a scale truck, enjoy the limitations that it might have. It's a lot of fun. Like I said, one thing I wanted to go over on these is You've got these body clips in here that are just squeeze them, take the body right off. It's really nice. As you can see, the inside of this is really nice. I love this big old Traxxas motor. It does a good job. It's got plenty of pep. I mean, you can make these bad boys do a wheelie. They're fun. I haven't installed the light kit yet, the aftermarket one, but I have them here. I'm going to be putting those in, a few other aftermarkets from Traxxas. See how they do. And I'll show you some of those real quick. But I did pick up a couple link kits. So we have those. And we had aluminum servo mount. We got the motor heat sink. We got a couple things of the light kits. We got the blue drive shafts. We got a bearing kit. That's supposed to really make a difference. We'll see. Got a set of brass wheel weights. And we have a little Fury Tech motor adapter. We'll see what we might do with that down the road. But one of the big hop-ups that we got a Nano. So we're going to see how the Nano does in it. And now I'm guessing it's going to do good. And we may even do a shootout between the Nano and the E-Max just to see how much difference there is. I'm pretty sure this is going to win. But nevertheless, we picked up a few odds and ends to go on them. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, one of them, I guess this one, since I bought a bunch of blue stuff, that just happened to be the color the hobby store had in stock. So I guess I'll upgrade my blue one first, see how it does. I think I'm just gonna, I have a lot of tires and wheels, but I like to fill these. So I may leave these stock ones on for a while and see how they do. Eventually, I'm sure I'll change out the wheels and tires to some metal bead locks and maybe some different tires. But these tires feel really nice. Don't have any foam in them, but they still feel good. They handle the weight. We'll see after we put a little brass on one how it does. But nevertheless, Traxxas TRX4Ms. Got a stock Fender and a stock Bronco. And we're going to do a little shootout here and see which one we like the best. This is DinoRC, and it's DinoRC, and thanks for watching. And you never know, I might just see you on the rocks. See you guys.